Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to set Bloody Moon theme on our desktop, which is literally going to transform your PC. Watch this video till the end to know how to set it perfectly. Thing you need to do is just click on the link on the description that will redirect you to Rainmeter website. From here you need to download this. This will download Rainmeter into your PC. Now just click on the second link in the description that will redirect you to the Mont theme. Download the Mont theme using the blue button here. Click on it and it will just start downloading. Now go to the file where you have downloaded it, right click on the Rainmeter, run as administrator. Now these are just simple steps to install Rainmeter in your PC. Just install it. Now once Rainmeter is installed, click on the Mont theme and install it. It will start installing into your PC. The next step you need to do is go to your Microsoft Store. From here you need to search for Becky. An app will appear with name Becky. Click on it. Here you will find the get button or install button. I already have installed it, so I will open it from here. In the search bar of Becky you need to search Blood Moon and press enter. You will find the wallpaper in the first line. Just click on the wallpaper. Now click on the set as button and set it as desktop wallpaper. Now just click on set to set it as desktop wallpaper of your PC. Go to your desktop now, right click and go to view and click show desktop icons. This will hide your icons from PC. Now just go and click this icon, go to Rainmeter, refresh this once and Mont will be loaded here. Click on Mont, click on clock and install this clock by double clicking this. Now the clock is installed. Now go to the player section, click on the player, and if you want to install the dustbin as well, just go to recycle bin, click on recycle bin. Now close this and go to your desktop and set them according to you. Now your desktop is looking fresh and good. If you think this is looking nice on your desktop, just press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.